So this is a filmmaker's secret sauce that is typically utilized to give a film a deeper meaning. Hi everyone, I'm Alan Northern, giving you filmmaking tips and tricks and PCL advice. And today we're going to talk about central conflict. So a central conflict with respect to your screenplay is the main obstacle that your main character has got to overcome in order to accomplish what he wants in the film. Great central conflicts are always internal, and since it's internal, in a film, it's typically always hidden from the audience unless you really take a look. And in good films and great films, it might even require a second watch. So this is a filmmaker's secret sauce that is typically utilized to give a film a deeper meaning and also gives your film a bit more rewatchability. So I know what you're thinking, how can something internal manifest itself externally in a film? So the way that it works in film is that your character has this physical opposition or presence that externalizes what this internal conflict is. Typically lives are on the line, or at the very least the direction of your main character's future. Just as in life, which is why I love film so much, your main character can only defeat his external obstacle or presence after he or she overcomes his main internal conflict. And this is what makes good films good and separates them from the pack. So I'm thinking you're probably gonna have 3 reactions to what I just said. 1, what the heck are you talking about, Alan? 2, I think I know what you're talking about. Or 3, I didn't hit the like button, I gotta hit the like button. Or 4, you're probably thinking, Alan, I already knew that. Dislike, unsubscribe. But if you need a bit more clarification on what a central conflict is, I wanted to go over what the central conflicts for Shazam and Interstellar was. So if you've seen them, great. We're about to dive into what the central conflict is. If you didn't, it's not a big spoiler, but I am going to give away what the actual central conflict was in the film, so just keep that in mind. So Shazam follows the life of young teenager Billy Batson, really street smart. So one of the main themes for Shazam is blood is not thicker than mud, and that you should give those who attempt to help you a chance, and you may find yourself a new family. And Shazam's central conflict is that Billy Batson rejects those who attempt to become his family and hopes that his mother will welcome him back into his life with open arms. If Billy continued to reject his new foster family, it's pretty obvious he would stand no chance at defeating Dr. Savannah. So there are many themes in Interstellar, but the one that ties directly into its central conflict is, what are you willing to give up to save humanity? Interstellar pilot Cooper is driven throughout the entire film to save his daughter's generation and reunite with his daughter in the end. Cooper believes all throughout the film that he can save the world and reunite with his daughter. But it's only when Cooper sacrifices himself and the possibility of seeing his daughter again after he enters the black hole that actually results in him saving the world. When he gives his daughter the equation for gravity, he saves the world. If he wasn't able to give up the opportunity to see his daughter again, he would have never helped Murph save the world, and he would not have been able to reunite with his daughter again in the end. I really appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to watch the video. Please subscribe and hit the like button if you haven't, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.